Auger bits can be effectively sharpened using specialized jigs, enhancing their performance and lifespan. Here are a few options to consider. Firstly, the Drill Doctor 750XA Auger bit sharpener, priced at approximately $499, is designed to sharpen auger bits ranging from 1/16 inch to 1 and 1/2 inches in diameter, accommodating both solid and hollow ground bits. Its key features include the ability to provide precise sharpening angles and create a flat cutting edge. Secondly, the AccuSharp Drill Doctor 750X Auger bit sharpener, available for around $399, sharpens auger bits from 1/8 inch to 1 and 1/2 inches in diameter. This model is engineered for quick and easy sharpening, offering adjustable angles suitable for various types of bits. Thirdly, the WorkSharp WS3000 sharpener, also priced around $499, is a multi-function sharpener capable of handling auger bits up to 1 and 5/8 inches in diameter. It utilizes a flexible abrasive belt, enabling precise sharpening and reshaping of the bit. Fourthly, the ProSharp 1050 drill bit sharpener, priced at $249, sharpens drill bits, including auger bits, ranging from 3/16 inch to 1 and 1/2 inches in diameter. It features adjustable angles and a chuck system, promoting accurate sharpening. Fifthly, the Drill Bit Buddy 6000, available for $199, is a compact and portable tool designed for sharpening drill bits, including auger bits. It ensures consistent sharpening angles and a flat cutting edge. When selecting a sharpening jig, consider the existing condition of the auger bits. If many bits have curved cutting edges from previous improper sharpening, prioritize a jig that allows for reshaping to a flat cutting edge. Educating the team on proper sharpening techniques is crucial. Provide clear instructions on how to use the selected jig or method effectively. Implementing a regular maintenance routine is essential for optimal performance. Sharpen auger bits periodically to maintain their cutting efficiency. If purchasing a sharpening jig is not feasible due to budgetary constraints, explore alternative methods. Consider providing a set of triangle files to each team member and conducting workshops to teach proper manual sharpening techniques. Using a triangle file involves several steps. The file should be high quality to ensure effective sharpening. Secure the auger bit in a vise to prevent movement during sharpening. Identify the cutting edge of the auger bit, which is usually on the inside of the bit spiral. Use the triangle file to carefully sharpen the cutting edge. Maintain the original angle of the cutting edge, typically around 45 degrees. File in one direction, pushing the file along the cutting edge. Avoid dragging the file back and forth, as this can dull the file and create a rough edge. Apply consistent pressure to ensure a uniform sharpening. Check the sharpness of the cutting edge by carefully testing it on a piece of wood. The edge should cleanly slice the wood fibers. Repeat the filing process until the cutting edge is sharp. Be careful not to over-sharpen, which can weaken the bit. After sharpening, remove any burrs or rough edges with a fine grit sandpaper or honing stone. Apply a light coat of oil to the sharpened edge to prevent rust. Periodically clean and inspect the auger bits to ensure they remain in good condition. Store the bits in a dry place to prevent rust. Also, consider organizing the bits by size to make it easier to find the right one. Proper storage helps prolong the life of the bits and maintain their sharpness. To further enhance the sharpening process, consider these advanced techniques. Use a magnifying glass to inspect the cutting edge for imperfections. This allows for more precise sharpening. Consider using a diamond file for extremely hard or damaged cutting edges. Diamond files provide a more aggressive sharpening action. Experiment with different sharpening angles to optimize the bit's performance for specific types of wood. Consult with experienced woodworkers or tool experts to learn more about advanced sharpening techniques. Regular practice is essential for mastering the art of auger bit sharpening. The more you sharpen, the better you will become at achieving a sharp, consistent cutting edge. Safety is paramount when sharpening auger bits. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris. Use gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges. Work in a well-lit area to ensure you can see clearly. Avoid distractions while sharpening to prevent accidents. Keep the work area clean and organized to prevent tripping hazards. Dispose of used files and other sharpening materials properly. In addition to manual sharpening, powered sharpening tools offer several advantages. Powered sharpeners provide a more consistent sharpening angle. They can sharpen bits more quickly than manual methods. Powered sharpeners often include adjustable settings to accommodate different types of bits. However, powered sharpeners can also be more expensive than manual methods. They require electricity to operate. Powered sharpeners can generate heat, which can damage the cutting edge if not used carefully. Before using a powered sharpener, read the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Wear appropriate safety gear, including safety glasses and gloves. Start with a low speed setting to prevent overheating. Move the bit smoothly and evenly across the sharpening wheel. Avoid applying too much pressure, which can damage the bit. Check the sharpness of the cutting edge frequently to avoid over-sharpening. Clean the sharpener after each use to remove metal shavings and debris. Store the sharpener in a safe place when not in use. When choosing a sharpening method, consider the following factors: the number of bits that need to be sharpened, the budget for sharpening tools, the level of skill and experience of the person doing the sharpening, the type of wood being drilled, the desired level of precision. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the sharpening method that is best suited for your needs. Regular maintenance and proper sharpening techniques are essential for maximizing the life and performance of auger bits. A well-maintained auger bit will cut cleanly and efficiently, reducing the amount of effort required to drill holes. It will also produce smoother holes with less splintering. By investing in the right sharpening tools and techniques, you can save money on replacement bits and improve the quality of your woodworking projects. Auger bits are commonly used in woodworking, construction, and other applications that require drilling holes in wood. They are designed to remove wood quickly and efficiently, creating clean, accurate holes. Auger bits typically have a spiral flute that carries wood chips away from the cutting edge. They also have a lead screw that pulls the bit into the wood, reducing the amount of pressure required to drill the hole. Auger bits come in a variety of sizes and styles to suit different applications. Some auger bits are designed for drilling deep holes, while others are designed for drilling shallow holes. Some auger bits are designed for drilling hard woods, while others are designed for drilling soft woods. When choosing an auger bit, consider the following factors: the size of the hole you need to drill, the type of wood you will be drilling, the depth of the hole you need to drill, the power of your drill. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the auger bit that is best suited for your needs. Proper use and maintenance are essential for prolonging the life of auger bits. Use the correct speed setting on your drill. Avoid applying too much pressure to the bit. Clear wood chips from the hole frequently. Store the bit in a dry place to prevent rust. Sharpen the bit regularly to maintain its cutting efficiency. By following these tips, you can keep your auger bits in good condition and ensure they provide years of reliable service. Additionally, there are numerous online resources available to guide you in the art of auger bit sharpening. Websites, video tutorials, and online forums can offer detailed instructions, tips, and troubleshooting advice. These resources can be particularly helpful for beginners or those seeking to refine their sharpening skills. Engaging with online communities of woodworkers and tool enthusiasts can provide valuable insights and perspectives on sharpening techniques. Sharing experiences and asking questions can help you learn from others and overcome challenges. Furthermore, consider attending workshops or training sessions on tool sharpening. These hands-on learning opportunities can provide personalized guidance and feedback from experienced instructors. Workshops often cover a range of sharpening techniques, including those specific to auger bits. The investment in formal training can significantly enhance your sharpening skills and confidence. Remember that consistency is key to achieving optimal results. Regular practice and attention to detail will lead to sharper, more efficient auger bits. Embrace the learning process and enjoy the satisfaction of maintaining your tools in peak condition. Choosing the correct auger bit for the job is crucial. Using the incorrect bit can lead to poor hole quality, increased effort, and potential damage to the bit or the workpiece. Consider the following factors when selecting an auger bit. The type of wood being drilled. Hardwoods require bits with steeper cutting angles and more aggressive lead screws. Softwoods can be drilled with bits that have shallower cutting angles and less aggressive lead screws. The size of the hole being drilled. Select a bit that is slightly smaller than the desired hole size. This allows for a clean, accurate hole with minimal splintering. The depth of the hole being drilled. Use a bit that is long enough to drill the entire depth of the hole. Avoid using short bits for deep holes, as this can lead to binding and overheating. The speed of the drill. Use a lower speed for drilling hardwoods and a higher speed for drilling softwoods. Consult the manufacturer's recommendations for the optimal speed for the specific bit being used. By carefully considering these factors, you can choose the auger bit that is best suited for the job and ensure a successful drilling experience. Always inspect the auger bit before use. Check for any signs of damage, such as cracks, chips, or bent cutting edges. Do not use a damaged bit, as it can be dangerous and produce poor results. Ensure that the bit is properly secured in the drill chuck. A loose bit can vibrate and cause inaccurate drilling. Use a sharp bit. A dull bit requires more pressure and can lead to overheating and splintering. Sharpen the bit regularly to maintain its cutting efficiency. Apply steady, even pressure while drilling. Avoid forcing the bit, as this can cause it to break or bind. Clear wood chips from the hole frequently. This helps to prevent overheating and ensures a clean, accurate hole. Use a lubricant when drilling hardwoods. This reduces friction and heat, prolonging the life of the bit. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the specific bit being used. This will help to ensure safe and effective operation. Auger bits are invaluable tools for woodworking and construction. By understanding their design, selection, use, and maintenance, you can maximize their performance and longevity. Regular sharpening and proper care will ensure that your auger bits remain reliable and efficient for years to come.